Welcome to the Professor Academy. At Professor's Academy, we believe in empowering every student to achieve their full potential. Today, we'll explore the basics of acids and bases in chemistry.
My good name is Savagul. I have done masters in chemistry from Peshawar University uh, in 2018. I also have done the research work on the topic, which is fungal biotransformation of steroidal drugs. And I also have uh, the experience of 6 years in Babda Cadet College, Terbela. You can Google it out, and Terbela is just a wonderful place. It's a first mud dam, like it's famous for that. And here I am representing the Professors Academy for the students and everyone listening me. So the topic which I have selected today for the introduction, that is acid and bases, right? So let's go to the acid and bases. So before starting the topic, we had to know that the student must have the grip on the thing which is known as the mind map and the concept map, right? So the mind map and the concept map will make your like the understandings more easy about any subject or any topic which you are learning. So our outline is consist of the introduction, then we had to discuss about the definition, we had to go through the etymology. Basically the acids have lots of definitions and why it happens, so we had to discuss that too. Then we had to go and we had to discuss about the types of the acids, right? There are different criterias on which the acids have been categorized or grouped, right? And then lastly we had to discuss some real world examples in this topic, right? Okay, so I think the students already know about the chemical substances, right? What is a chemical substance? So, chemical substance having a definite composition, and the substances, the chemical substances are like categorizes into elements. Then there are the pure. They have the pure composition. There is a modern definition of the element, and there is also the old definition of the element. Maybe you already know about that, and if you have any query about the difference between that, so we can discuss that too. There are substances which are like pure, there are substances which are impure, right? Pure and impure. Okay, so basically the chemical substances are consist of the atoms. They contain atoms, they combine together in different composition, and then they make these different kinds of compounds. They make elements, then make compounds: glucose, insulin, maltase, diesel, dyes, acetone, paints, and gold. Okay, so the topic is acid and bases. So first we had to define the acid and bases, but I think this should be here. The etymology should be discussed first, and then later on the definition should be discussed. Okay, so what is etymology? Etymology is basically, it is like the study of the origin of the term, origin of the term, like from where we get this term acid. So acid is a Latin word, right? And it's acid. Acid is a Latin word that is acidus. It's derived from the word acidus, and it means sour, right? Having a sharp taste. So something having a sharp taste, so that is known as acid. Okay, if we go through the history of the acids, so there are different like ideas related to the concept of acids. Acids are known over 300 years, like they are nothing, they are not something which is like newly discovered. They already exist in our past, or the people use that. So earlier it was defined as that something having a sour taste, just like a lemon, if you remember the lemon, right? So that should be a sour taste. So anything having a sour taste is known as acid. That substance is an acid. And there is one more definition.
Thanks for watching us. For more information, contact us on 0301 503 7768 or follow our YouTube channels at www.theprofessoracademy.com.pk.